Hello everyone again, it's Dada from TradeGuardian, and as always I hope you're doing really well. Today I'm going to show you a short and very useful method of identifying trading zones. And this is really as important as any other skills you might have when it comes to trading. Again, without too much, let's get straight into it. As you can see, I have some lines. This is Euro US dollar 1 hour chart, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4.5 days worth of data on my screen. That's the way I like to zoom in. It's nice to have at least 3 previous days on your screen displayed, so you can see exactly where the zones are. Now, let me explain more about the zones. This green line down here is my buy zone. Why? Because if I look in the past, this is where the price actually hits that line and then takes off. And again, and then takes off. Basically, it's the lowest line. And that's my highest line, the red line up there. And that is obviously a sell zone. These middle lines are also frequently hit, these two, but these are really not any of the trade zones for me. My trade zones start from below this line, hitting the green line. That would be my buy zone. And let me show you even clearer. Just let's draw in a little rectangle, shapes, rectangle, and let's make this a buy zone. So if I select all of this from green to the first middle line and just make it green. So green to me identifies with symbolic buy. So there we go. It's too bright. It's too harsh on my eyes. So go back in there and actually make it to something more visually appealing. Let's make it darker. So there we go. That's our buy zone. And similarly, this upper side would be my sell zone. So let's put a rectangle there as well. That really becomes my sell zone. And make the sell zone red for sell, or something darker, but red-ish. There we go. Now we have already made our life easy by having this on screen. These are the candles I would be buying, but not just any. In this zone, I know, down here in the green, I know I'm only looking for buys. Now, let's identify the signals for buys. That already is a good signal for me, those two. Quite chunky candles. Again, returning back to, this would be a sign for me to buy a big rejection from going lower. And yes, it would have been in profit. Where else? Here. Big, massive candle, almost overshadowing these two red candles. That's a buy for me. And would you have been in profit? Of course you would. Now, no other buy signals during these 5 days, 4.5 days. Did we have any sell signals? Here. Sell, and you would have been in profit. Which one was it? For me, it was really before this, it was this one. Why? Big massive candle, rejection, followed by another rejection, which is the wick up there, and taking out some of that candle, and I am in a sell zone. Although it's not a very strong signal, but it's still a valid signal for me to sell, and yes, I would have taken profit somewhere down here. And today would have been, yesterday would have been this one. Big rejection, followed by another attempt to go higher, rejection, taken out completely by a red candle. That's where I would have, that's where I actually sold yesterday, and I'm just now taking my profits here. That's it. So let's recoup. We have our 1 hour chart on our screens. This is Euro US dollar, by the way. I prefer it because it's more active than the other charts. So 4 days of data. The lowest line is our buy line, so we make it green. The highest line is our sell line, so we make it red, just for the visual purposes. Middle zones we avoid to trade. We trade extremes. When it hits the extreme low, we're looking for buy signals. A chunky green candle would do. And when it hits the red, a chunky red candle does the job for me. Okay, hope this helps. Till the next one. Ciao, ciao. Bye.